This is the Garganelli, also AKA, I'd like to call it a twisted penne for those concepts in restaurants who don't know what a Garganelli is. It might be too much of a fancier name. You can call this as a twisted penne. And the reason why, as you see, you'll see the edges of a Garganelli pasta. It's sharp like a penne. Chef did a nice job here. Another simple recipe with 5 or fewer ingredients. We caramelized a little bit of a shallot, some yellow and red cherry tomatoes, sauteing with a little touch of heavy cream. We're gonna richen it up, and then we're gonna add, we're gonna take it off the heat and add a little bit of a pesto at the end, a little bit of a tablespoon probably, just to make it a nice pesto Alfredo sauce. Chef, any additional comments? Feel free.
So again, Antonio made a great point. With this beautiful pasta, the ridges, the sauce will cling to it, so we certainly want to have this sauce, and you can see that happening. Reduce down that cream so it's thick. It's going to cling to it and get all those beautiful flavors in there. That's going to come with that. A little bit of tomato. We're going to mix in the pesto, but you see how that's bubbling, and that's just reducing so nicely and getting thick.
When you cook fresh pasta, it's always nice to just have a little bit of that water dripping into that sauce, just to add a little bit of more boldness to the sauce. And as I just coat that really nicely, bring it together.
We're going to add just a little bit of our Roma pesto. This is a basil pesto with a little bit of pine nut, and we'll stir that up. Just blushed with a little bit of that green. The tomatoes have blistered up nicely. You've got that color there. And Antonio, I think we're ready to plate.
Absolutely. Chef, do you like to add the cheese usually in at the beginning, or you like to finish it off?
Absolutely. I think we'll put some in there right now. Go ahead, and then we'll top it off with maybe, that's beautiful. That'll just give it a little more richness, just a little more thickness that'll interact with that pasta water and the cream, and away we'll go.
Guys, if I had to just think about what this dish is costing us right now, I would not be surprised if this comes in at a little under $3. You know, this is a dish that very easily can fit on a menu anywhere between, when you think about QSR, this could be on a QSR menu at $10.99. On a family restaurant, probably between $14 and $16.99. And if you go upscale here, you could go as high as $20, $22.99.
Absolutely.
All right.
A little fresh chiffonade of basil, and you have a dish that is absolutely stunning, ready to go. And again, Piancone Epicureo Garganelli.
Fresh Garganelli.
And we're calling it
Twisted Penne.
That's right. Enjoy, everyone.
Enjoy. Nice. Fantastic.